to Dinalicious 101. Today we're going to learn how to make some picadillo de carne molida. Keep watching. The ingredients that you'll be needing to make this dish: we're going to use 1 full tomato, onions, carrots, potatoes. I'll be using about 2 pounds of ground beef, 2 tablespoons of ground cilantro, half a tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of paprika, half a tablespoon of dried garlic, half a tablespoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of adobo, and 2 small packages of Sazon Goya. Let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to peel our potatoes and chop them up into small cubes. Now we're going to start on our carrots. Now we're going to chop an onion. Now we're going to put all this back in the bowl and start on our tomatoes. Now let's get started to cooking. First, we're gonna put our ground beef to cook. And we're not gonna use any oil. We're simply gonna put some water to get started. I'm gonna put, this is a mason jar and this is about 16 ounces. And you want to make sure that your ground beef is properly mushed up so that it doesn't convert into little meatballs. Pepper, paprika, salt, and this is totally up to you. If you like your food saltier, you could feel free to add more. Adobo, minced dried garlic, dried cilantro, two packages of Sazon Goya, now we're going to mix this a bit. This at medium heat. Now some people like to make their vegetables very finely cut, but I like to make mine a little chunky because I like to taste the flavor of the veggies. I don't know about you guys, but when I taste the picadillo and the carrots are chopped too finely, I can't even taste it. One ingredient I forgot to put in the beginning was some cayenne pepper. And I'm just going to put about half a teaspoon in there so as to not make it spicy. Then what you want to do when you're cooking this medium heat, you want to put the lid on it for about 25 minutes, like I said before, just to let the moisture cook the veggies. And while this is making, I'm going to go ahead and make some rice, so keep watching. Now we're going to check on our food. It's been on here actually a little bit longer, maybe about 35 minutes. Okay, look at that. Looks good. Now I'm about to serve it, and I'm going to show you 2 different ways that you can serve this meal. Keep watching. And this is our final product. There's 2 ways of serving this dish. So the first way is soupy. Kind of like some caldito, some soup. And that just has the potatoes and carrots in it. And you could eat it with a side of rice. And I just put some lettuce on the side. And that's just some of the meat and soup of the meat. And the second way, for those of you who like it dry, you could make some delicious tostadas. Look at that. Don't forget, as always, to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And thank you so much for watching my channel. Have a good one. Bye!